What's the meaning of bowling alley? Bowling alley. Bowling alley.
Bowling alley. Bowling alley. A bowling alley is a recreational facility that offers the game of bowling to its customers. It usually consists of a long, narrow lane with pins at the end, and players roll a heavy ball down the lane to knock over the pins. The ball is returned to the player via a mechanical system, and the pins are automatically reset for the next turn. Bowling alleys often have multiple lanes and can be found in a variety of settings, such as community centers, arcades, and bars. They are a popular form of entertainment and social activity, and can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels.